I got one last question for today. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I think I'm 2 for 8.
Let's jump right into it. A 7-director board of a Pretzel Corporation, Pretzel Corp, voted unanimously to adopt a resolution authorizing voluntary dissolution. The board consulted its in-house counsel on whether shareholder approval was required or whether the board could just direct the corporation secretary to file articles of dissolution. In-house counsel advised that a shareholder approval was not required and that the secretary should just file the articles of dissolution.
Basically, this Pretzel Corporation is all tangled up. They're all tied up.
Pretzel's got it twisted. Pretzel Corp is twisted up.
It's pretty
The
twisted.
board just wants to make sure that they don't have to get approval from shareholders. Is in-house counsel correct? A, yes, because the shareholder approval is not required for dissolution if a majority of the board adopts a resolution authorizing dissolution. B, yes, because the shareholder approval is not required if the board unanimously adopts a resolution. C, no, because the shareholder approval is required for dissolution. And D, no, because articles of dissolution are not required for dissolution. That last one's rage bait.
I think that I've got to go with B. It feels impossible for you to dissolve if you have to consult every single shareholder.
With 11% of students answering is incorrect. C, with 82% of students answering no, because the shareholder approval is required for dissolution.
Wow.
Think of it this way. Shareholders own parts of the company. They don't want just the guys just vanishing their assets.
Yeah.
A corporation that has issued shares and conducted business may be voluntarily dissolved by the directors and the shareholders. First, the board must adopt a resolution authorizing dismissal. Next, the shareholders who are entitled to vote must approve the dissolution with majority. Finally, the corporation must file articles of dissolution with the appropriate state authority. So basically, they've got to hold a vote